So my dear students, the last part of the video we have not done in board, rather we will done in pen and paper. I think it will be the right process to explain the thing what we just want to learn. That is the area of irregular shaped object. Okay, so to find the area of regular shaped object, that is not a problem. It is very easy to find out by some equations. But if I want to find the area of irregular shaped object, okay, then how it can be done? Assume the surface we have shown you to find the area. So this shape, it is drawn in the copy. So it is not a regular shaped object. It is a irregular shaped object. So how we can able to find the area of it? So the thing is that to find the area, we cannot able to do in this plain paper. We have to use one more thing, that is known as graph paper. Okay, so graph paper, it is not new to you. You have already used graph paper in class 10, and this is a millimeter graph. Why? Because the smallest block you have seen, the smallest one, that size is 1 millimeter. Okay, so the size of the smallest block is 1 millimeter, and the size of each big block, this will be 1 centimeter square. Okay, the size of each block, the big blocks we have seen, that is 1 centimeter square. Now what we have to do? We have to put the object here and draw the same thing over the graph paper. See? Okay, so we have drawn the same shape on the graph paper. Though it is very much difficult to identify because we have drawn it in pencil, so I'm just making a little bit deeper. So here we have to draw a overwriting because then it will be easier for us to understand. Okay. Now the shape is little prominent. We can able to find the area from here. Then what we have to do? In this case, we have to find out the number of squares which are fully inside the surface we have drawn. The number of full square. Okay, so what are the number of full squares are here? Let's count it first. So it is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67 and 68. Okay, so 68 full squares are there inside the block. So we can write here, we can mention here number of full square, that should be 68. Clear? And now we have to find out the number of squares which are more than half is taken inside the square, inside the surface. Okay, so here we have to find out number of square more than half inside the surface. Okay, more than half. So if I have seen here this surface, it is more than half. So here we have to give a cross sign 1. This is also more than half 2. This is also more than half 3. These are not more than half. These are less than half. This is more than half 4, 5. This is also almost more than half 6. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17, 18, okay, 19, 20. Let's find out if the number of the amount of the square, it is more than half, it is taken inside the surface. We have taken 20. So that one we can take. This is almost half or more than half. So it's a controversy. We have to take it. So that is 21. Okay, but this you see here, these are we have not taken because these are less than half. So number of square more than half inside the surface, that is 21. Okay, so number of full square 68 and number of square more than half inside the surface, that is 21. Okay, now how we have to find the area of the irregular surface? Let's see. Now coming to the first page again. Okay, so here we have to see the area of each square. So square means I am talking about the big square, not the smallest block. So area of the big square, that is 1 centimeter square, because here this block we have taken, this block, this is 1 centimeter square each. Okay, now total area we have to find out. So number of square fully inside the surface. How many squares are there? 68. Okay, so if 68 squares are there fully inside the surface, so what will be the area of 68 squares? So that will be 68 into 1 centimeter square. So it will be 68 centimeter square. Clear? Now the question has come that number of square partially, that means more than half portion inside the surface, that should be how many? 21. We have just seen in the previous part. Okay, so it is 21. So area of 21 square, that will be 21 into 1, that is 21 centimeter square. Now you might be thinking, sir, here you have multiplied by 1 centimeter square, but the amount of portion it is taken inside, that is not full a square. So if it is full, then it is 1 centimeter square, that is okay. But here in the case we have taken half or more than half. Okay, so why we have taken 1? It should be less than 1. I am totally agree with you. It should be less than 1 because it is not fully taken. But you see, as it is not fully taken, similarly some of the portion like this, here, okay, here this portion, here this portion we have left, because these are, so this circle I have made this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here also 8 9 10, these portions we have not taken because these are less than half. So as they are not taken, so the portions which are taken, which is more than half, that can be taken as 1 square. Okay, as these are not taken, so here this more than half inside the surface or half inside the surface, that can be taken as full square. So for that reason it is 21 centimeter square. So total area, it will be 68 plus 21, it will be 9 and 8, 89 centimeter square. Okay, so it is 89 centimeter square, that is the area. Okay, now if anyone asks, is it the accurate calculation you have made? See, to tell the truth, it is not accurate, because here some assumption we have made, that is upon to our choice, because some square we have taken which is taken more than half inside the surface, and some square which is less than half in our eyes, that area we have not taken. So there is some confusion. Okay, so it might not be exact, but it will be almost equal to the exact area. Okay, so that is 89 centimeter square. By similar way, we can find the area of any of the leaves of a tree. So if you take a leaf and you have find the area of it by the help of graph, then you can understand how the area can be calculated if the shape is irregular. Clear? Okay, I think your doubt is bit completed. Okay, and understand this thing. One thing I mentioned here, that from the area of irregular shaped object, that means what we have calculated by graph, that will never come in exam, but that is needed for your project. So wait for the project. I will give one project from here, then I think if you understand the process, you can able to find the area. Okay.